Motherfucker. Why? Oh, come on, dude. Are you fucking kidding me? Well, that's annoying. Yeah, there's no way I'm buying this one. Such a pain in the ass. Should have just bought it. These nuts. Who is that? Oh man, this is a bad idea. Why is such small size? Doesn't really matter. Damn, this shit is crazy. Remember when I promoted it yesterday on stream? You just buy this high. Didn't expect it to make this big of a move though. Yeah. Oh, I should have bought this. It's not just 2 inside days and an hourly setup. Oh well. Can buy for solar when it gets past 232. It's gonna be range bound. This is what pisses me off. This fucking shakeout right here. Oh well. If you guys buy this, this is too thin, but it doesn't look bad. I don't really like it that much. Well, Baba's just gonna grind higher until it reaches the end of this right here. This is pretty funny though. Get fucking scammed, dude. It was like old school. This is shit they used to do in like, I don't know. Feels like this is the type of stuff that got banned, like the spoofing and filtering. I think you can, or whatever, spoofing and layering, whatever the fuck it is. Make a stock gonna do this. Oh man. Okay. Another inside day. I guess the news wasn't that good. Couldn't make it past 729. Goodbye. Any of these shitcodes do anything? Not yet. Let's go, dude. Ugh, these are such good. I chased the shit out of this one though, but whatever. Is Sweet Queen doing anything? Oh, this shook me out here. Oh well. Oh my god, let's fucking go. This is textbook stage 2, guys. Where yeah, it's attempting. If it doesn't fail, it's 11 level. This is what you want to see. Hmm. Well, that was kind of a good shakeout. Yeah, I bought this off the hourly. Don't love it. Do I try Fubo again though? It's fucking insane. Look at this. This is so crazy. Oh my god, this came all the way back. Yeah, I just cut it. Wasn't gonna. Well. What's the news on this one? Hmm, don't see anything. Uranium got news today on Kazatomprom reducing production again. This is the news. So I take it they liked what Powell said, because all the interest rate sensitive stuff is going up. Yeah, regionals, all of a sudden we're back. Meaning IWM is probably moving the most. Yep. So they liked what Powell said, or the fuck he said. The EPST didn't really move off of that. I don't do anything. Oh man, I was in this. Oh well. Alright, how much float rotation did this do? 5 times? It's not bad. As long as it holds this like 1 to 103 level. I kind of want to add, but I'm too scared. The news is absolute bullshit, by the way, on this Momentous. Some like, it's some NASA contract that's spread out with a bunch of different companies, I think. No guarantee Momentous gets any of the money. But that doesn't matter. Roku? Really, no. Just from an upgrade. Yeah, I'll put it down. So there's the Fubo lawsuit against Disney with the fucking merger for whatever the fuck. I forget the other companies. NBC, I think. But yeah, maybe other streaming companies can benefit. Oh, I should have added. Oh well. Oh my god, let's fucking go. Whew. Okay. We'll let him make some coffee. Oh my god, Redfin. Jesus Christ. That is crazy. Oh, I wish I did more size. So Kava is gonna beat out Sweet Green, or they both. Oh my god. I can't believe we got shaken out of this. A great chart too. What's Palantir doing? Yeah, this one looks cooked. I'll track it in the back watch list. Yeah. It's in a big range on the weekly. But yeah, it's not much of a trender. Or you know what? Who knows? Yeah, what's good, Uni? It's just you and I don't know. Now the stream has died in popularity. I was thinking about buying some of these uranium names. This is the one that moved the most, but that's too thin. I'm gonna buy like the ETF or something. I don't want to chase it now though. I think you can wait though. But yeah, uranium has got news, buddy. What are you talking about? They don't have jobs. What is this? Sea-based expeditions? Yeah, whatever. So, okay, so Powell spoke and they liked the regionals. What did he say exactly? Can someone tell me? Did one of you two watch? He probably validated September rate cuts. Should I even bother writing that down? Yeah, there's another uranium name. Yo, what? What is this? Six, 5 letters, but not an OTC. It's very rare. Another uranium name, super thin. Yeah. He said he fucked up. Funny. Yeah, but anyway, the reaction. Oh, what? I wasn't watching this. God damn it. It's a real estate name. I forgot. Oh, so I looked this up yesterday. I think I looked up Compass Pathways. It's Compass Comp. Oh my God. This is the real estate name. Oh, this is such a good base. Fucking bitch. God damn it. I was long DRN like here or here. Oh man. And once again, I missed the regionals and the real estate. Well, I hit the real estate trade. I missed the regionals trade. Yeah, you're never gonna get it perfect, I guess. This is the strongest one. Or actually, Compass had a better weekly. It's just a little bit more choppy. Like this doesn't trend so well. But you know what? Neither does Redfin. It trends better. No, it trends better. It's like, but these aren't the best trenders. Um, Meh. Uh, yeah, I mean these Peloton and let's get the word Zoom. These pandemic stocks. I don't know, man. Maybe they've bottomed out, but it's not that good. Like the monthly charts kind of super ass, dude. But you know what? So is Lucid. But this is just, yeah, this long-term chart is also ass. But I just like this kind of stock. Um, can I get? Oh my God. Fucking Benzinga, dude. Hopium in the title. What a joke. I'll use this no, I don't want to use this. I need to use the proper headline for this Powell shit. I'll just use this one for now. Okay, put it here, put it in KRE. You guys understand why I'm marking these ETFs, right? Specifically these ETFs. This was the easy choice, I guess. I just, you know, not thinking. Gold is going too. Would you look at that? What a fucking crazy shit, dude. So themes are space, killing people, low interest rate stuff, real estate, housing, etc. Regionals. Monkeypox. And healthcare. Maybe EVs. Code diagnostics. Yeah, man, this is so thin. It's too thin to trade in any meaningful way, in my opinion. Dude, this Momentous is gonna fucking. Oh man. It's gonna go to like $3, maybe? Yeah, but sometimes if something is too thin, it like doesn't even trend. But I wouldn't really know. I never traded the thin shit. Just don't like the way they trend. Yeah, it's a national identity to be poor. Did no one else bought Momentous with me? See, what's this piece of shit Soundhound doing? Good. This is such a piece of shit stock that stopped out. That's some size too. Oh, by the way, there's this 2x MSTR, oh, sorry, 1.75x MSTR ETF now, in case MSTR isn't cracked out enough for you. Oh, do I not have a specific real estate one? I think I just have it under finance, but let's fucking make one. Why not? It's just there's like a bunch of REITs in here. Don't really want to include this. I'll include the good ones. Like Vornado. What's American Healthcare? RITHR. This one's good. And then I'll include Compass, Redfin, Z, Open, Rocket for lending, LC for lending, Tree for lending, Lend for lending. Okay, that's pretty good. See, look, what the fucking... God damn it, these... What the fuck is wrong with you, TradingView? I have to get rid of... Oh, can't have too many favorites, I guess. I can unfavorite my... Whatever. Whatever. The large cap is tree large cap. No, tree is small cap. Rocket is large cap. Mid cap. Mid cap. Small cap. This is... Wow, Redfin's actually a small cap. I thought it was bigger. Zillow is the big player in this space, I guess. You know, I'm just gonna cut this one out for now. Yeah, man, I'm very organized. What company is this? Let's sort by... Let's sort by market cap. Oh yeah, this is the commercial real estate. So like, I guess I was wrong. This is what a lot of people worried about, like this commercial real estate bubble, and that a lot of regionals were overexposed to it. Um, no, TradingView doesn't have the same classification. There's like 3 or 4 different classification systems in stocks, and TradingView, because they're fucking retarded, uses the second most common one. The first most common one is used by like 90% of brokers and charting software. The second most common one is used by TradingView for whatever reason. It's just like you can just look up like stock market classification. You'll see what I mean. I've written them tickets for it, and they just fucking hate TradingView sometimes. Okay, so Opendoor is a larger market cap than Redfin. Redfin is just okay, really. This is the Chinese one. Yeah, China real estate is not doing as well, but that's on purpose. Okay, I think this is everything that we need to look at though. Um, Let me look if there's any other REITs. For the most part, I really hate trading REITs, but like I said, these 2 that I showed you, like this one, it's just insane. Although it's pretty slow, so whatever. All of them are slow, actually. Yeah, I'm not gonna look at them. Okay, we can form that high. Yeah, there's no point in chasing these, but see if there's any momentum to this move. Oh my God, New York Bancorp, could this actually do it? They did a reverse split. Is that why all my notes are down here? Fucking piece of shit. So this is, I shorted this. I think I shorted it here and I ended up, I actually, no. I shorted it like here and then I didn't hold all the way down, something like that. But now it might have bottomed. It's a pretty well-known regional bank. What about Hawaiian Bank? Hawaiian Holdings. Wait, this is the airline? Okay. Hawaiian Bank of Hawaii. Yeah, this is a decent setup, but pretty slow. Dipshit was your play. Dipshit and DRN, I guess, but really just Redfin, I guess. I'm so tempted, but no, I'm gonna wait for confirmation. Nail ITB is yeah, home builders going along with real estate. That makes sense. Um, okay. Okay, yeah, this looks fucking crazy. Not really setting up the way I wanted to again, but oh my God, Fubo. Mm, I don't want to buy it, man. Why? I think there's better things to buy. But like, am I just salty that I got shaken out at Lowe's? Whatever. There's the Fubo alert for highs. It's okay. I'll wait. Dude, why? Okay. Wow, this lost all liquidity. Okay, what did I promote? Kava. And that's it. Yeah, I'm gonna try to. I don't think I'm gonna. I'll set another alert. It's getting rejected at that level. It's not really. This is just another stock that's in a big downtrend, obviously, right? Like, this is not a real good base, in my opinion. Like good bases are Redfin. This is a great base. You want to be able to see it on the monthly. Like with some of the shit bases, like if you don't see it on the monthly. Fubo. You know what? No, it's pretty shit still, but at least it has levels. Okay. How's my Lunar and Rocket Lab doing? No, they're fine. Come on, you didn't buy this yet? No one's gonna chase this. No, don't chase it. I'm joking. I wish I was paying attention to this though. Whatever. I'll drop it in here. Oh, dude, what? Nova. Oh no. Hmm. Let's see, what are my other alarms? Yeah, this is gonna take more time. Ethereum. Yeah, this was the alert. This was the buy stop order right here. Simple as, dude. Should have had it for my Nova alert too. Well, such this piece of shit actually has follow through. Yeah, Fubo's not bad. I think I'm just salty about this because I had decent size and I got shaken out at the lows. And I'm already like in this. I feel pretty good about my portfolio. I'm almost out of margin, I think. This like BTBT uses up a surprising amount of margin. Fubo is going to use up a lot of margin too. Lucid does. Lunar uses up a lot of margin, and obviously Momentous does. Rocket Lab does not, surprisingly. Even though it's fucking insane stock. Dude, let's go. This shit is crazy. Oh no, don't tell me this is like topping out. Oh man, I should have added to this. Holy shit. It's really going to $3, isn't it? Halted, I think. Yeah, it's halted. Let's go. Fuck yeah, boys. Yeah, the only thing I don't like is my minor position right now. And I'm pretty salty about this PL, but whatever, it's so thin. Yeah, yeah, whatever. I'm not gonna be that mad. Well, I should have taken this too, though. Literally just had the wrong, literally just had the wrong ticker in mind. But whatever. Let's fucking go, guys. I need to sell. I need to sell some after this halt. Let's sell a quarter, or let's sell a third. Yeah, cut the weeds, but you don't want to get shaken out of things. Like, a lot of times, and people react too fast to things, right? Like, don't. I don't know. Commit to like some rules for reducing, I guess. That's what I'm saying. I used 30 in the hourly, right? If it like it doesn't mean the trade's over, but if it like if these cross again, that means it probably needs more time on the daily, right? For example, like Rocket Lab, cross here, cross, right? So it's like it's fine. It's just immediate short-term trend is needs more time, but the income daily clearly just needs to consolidate more. This is gonna go to $10. Telling you, it's like say that with I'm you know fairly confident in that. This is getting to be a really good setup too, by the way. This for solar, but yeah, just needs. I mean, hopefully like a few more weeks, and then even more people have forgotten about it. But I'm just salty about this Nova, dude. Why the motherfucker? I was long this like here, dude, like in the sevens. But yeah, there's no way I'm holding through that. But today's the entry. Today's an entry. And this is like a for a short-term trend because this thing is a big piece of shit. It's obviously a turd. But you can use like 2-day candle and confirm it on the hourly. Are there any EVs doing anything? No, it's just Lucid. And EVgo, I guess, but yeah, I don't really like this at all. It's so thin. But this is pretty good. Not great, but good. Dude, what the fuck? Okay, unhalted. Alright, I sold half. Uh, let's just keep the rest for now. The power of thematic trading, guys. You don't have to think that much. LTH, everyone, why do you guys like this so much? Yeah, Uni's in this too. Like, I see what you guys see. It's like a flag here, but not really my type of trade. Because what is this, right? It's like, I'm pretty sure this is only going up because they own a lot of these facilities and because like it's similar to an REIT. So it's like that type of trade. This is not really my type of trade, but it's strong. I'll give you that. But like this is the type of thing that like you trade if you look at gainers and you don't really think about the like theme and all, which is fine. Trade however you want, but it's not my type of trade. You know what? I will watch it. I'll put it on the back burner here. Need to throw some other things over here too, like this OS. Like I'd much prefer catalyst driven or thematic trades. Well, EVGO is too thin for me. It's a very good weekly. I mean, no, you know, this is something you can take. Uh, it's respecting this level, right? But yeah, I don't love it. I don't love it, but it's not. It's a good flag. It's a really good flag on the weekly. Yeah, mostly this is just too thin. The other one, LTH, is liquid enough for me. Like Lucid, this is my type of trade. Like this is a much worse flag, right? Like EVGO had some much better flag, but this is just it's a liquid Momo stock. It's like 10 times more liquid than EVGO. So like not like big boys necessarily, but like medium-sized boys. We can play in it. Yeah, EV had this big run up after the Tesla stuff, and then things got sold off when Tesla missed earnings. So EV has been kind of like spotty. Like EVs as a whole aren't going. Like Rivian isn't going. I mean, it is today because everything's going because of Powell, but like Tesla, right? Uh, it's less of a theme than real estate. That's less of a theme than space. Like space is the most obvious theme. I think everyone should be able to see that, right? It was. It's not anymore. It was here. So because it was in July and now it's got sold off. So what Lucid happened? So basically I started watching again after this day. I got the cache infusion, right? So, but I put it in the back burner because it wasn't doing much. But you always set alerts. Like I always set alert to key level. So I had an alert at 3:39, and it triggered 2 days ago, and it had an hourly, so I just bought it because like this is kind of your continuation off of this big push, and it's lucid. It's got high short interest. It's got it's just one of those stocks and go. It's a liquid shitco, in other words. Well, maybe a lot of bias there, but there's certain stocks I really like. And Lucid and Rivian are included in them just because they're so liquid. They trade over $100 million volume, right? Rivian's even more liquid, but this isn't really my type of setup. Some people trade this. Some, I don't know, a lot of fucking your basic ass level trader calls this like a descending wedge. It's like I just don't like thinking about it like that. It's just like a failed breakdown. That's how I prefer to think about it. I don't know, it works, I guess. It sort of held the gap. You see this? I like doing this. This is a lot of what I'd rather trade this kind of intraday thing where you buy the dip on something when it looks like it's going to break down. But and then sometimes it does and doesn't. Like here's a good example, like Rocket Lab, right? Failed breakout here, rejected at this level, then it sold off and it did this like bear flag into the next day, and then yesterday or 2 days ago, sorry, it tried to break down and found a ton of demand. This is when I bought the dip. Like that's what I mean. So like intraday, things like this, it's you can buy this failed breakdown. You don't even have to buy it like right here. You don't have to catch a knife. You can just wait. See how it makes this wick, and then it tries to retest that, right? And then you can buy it like here when it taps VWAP. Like if you remember what Juno says a lot. Juno says like when I used to read his tweets, he'd be like, I'm looking to add on a flush here. That's what he's talking about. Because people aren't willing to right now, right? Like up here, they're sellers at this supply level because everyone sees the supply level. And then no one's willing to buy, so we got some sellers, and then this shakes out all the weekends, finds new buyers, right? So gobbles up some supply. The supply needs to be gobbled up before it can go higher. And then the people that sold down here, they're gonna chase above 730, hopefully. Oh man, dude, this is fucking nuts. It's gonna halt again. Yeah, I know what a nut looks like off the top of my head. It's choppy as fuck on the daily, dude. It's very strong though. I just don't think. I mean, this is why I like hesitate to say things like this because you should do what you should trust in yourself because I'm just another trader. But like, I'd look at it on the daily. How the fuck do you trade this? Well, it's getting tighter now, but like, it's got a great weekly. Yeah, it's really strong. It's got a good monthly because it's basically coming out of this big range. But I really hate this stock. It goes up, down, right? But and what's the theme here? It's like AI data centers. It could go. It's not yeah, it's not bad. But it's also too thin for me. First of all, 10 million. Right. So I would rather just trade something like honestly some of these hourlies I like. I might take this on tiny size if it breaks out, but I'd rather like add to Rocket Lab, dude. Like this is why wouldn't I? I have a lot more faith in this. This trends so much better than Enod right now, and this is yeah, it's just cleaner. This is like an insane base. It's also on theme, right? Theme is important. Like, why not just buy more Rocket Lab? Do I need to sell more Momentous? It's halted again. Yeah, I'm gonna sell a little bit more. And honestly, at this point, yeah, besides adding to my existing positions, I don't really want to do too much. The one thing I didn't really nail is I didn't really catch any of these monkeypox trades, but whatever. I don't know if this is like this is kind of the one I wanted. I should have just bought this on the dip, but whatever. All right, James, what you got for me? BMEA. Oh God, I hated this stock so much. I'm gonna ignore it. Man, let's promote this. I'm gonna try to add this on a pullback maybe. What about Run? Is Run doing anything? Run is coming out of this shit base too. It's not that good. Just Nov. Yeah, Lucid is great, man. No, if I had a smaller account, I would have taken EVGO, probably. But yeah, like I guess it needed the Powell catalyst. The problem with like this type of breakout is like there are so many fake outs. Like, see every time it gets rejected above this like 380s level, like right, it's been rejected so much. It's like I don't know. When do you know? Guess today. I sold Baba like right here. Whatever. Okay, Momentous is unhalted again. Yeah, that's fine. You have more opportunities. Don't be afraid to buy Rocket Lab. I'm serious. This is, you gotta wait for the trigger, but this is turning out to be one of the best trades. I mean, it's best setups, I think, in the market. It's got news flow, it's got theme, it's just broke out of this level and it's about to really like, I mean, you could argue that this is the base and these are failed base breakouts, but this is also a major level here. Like, what is a stronger theme than space right now? I don't know. Like, look at this shit. This is such a turd, man. Like, let me show you this PR for it. It's not even on most. I think this is like bullshit news. I think this company is going bankrupt. It's some bullshit, I think. Wait, I saw a tweet that this actually had more companies. I guess this one's only 3 companies. Whatever. I still don't like, I don't care about this kind of PR except that it might be a catalyst. And it's got like so much float rotation. Oh my god, Nova keeps making highs. Oh, cores will be ready at some point. But I think the cryptos need more time, even though cores is like data center. Yeah, very good. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, arguably 8, 9 big green bars in the weekly. 1, 2 massive outliers in the monthly. The volume wise. Let's look at Rocket Lab. Well, this is upsetting. It has a less good volume, but 2, maybe 4. I don't really count these. These are more outliers, and obviously these 2 are big outliers. And so Kava, oh my god. 1, 2, 3 big outliers. My Twitter, I don't post stocks on Twitter. Uh, I just repost communist propaganda. So don't follow me on Twitter. Dude, what the fuck? Ugh. Oh, seething at this one too. Shaking out. No, let's keep it here. I don't really want to look at this sweet green. HVC? What is that? It's not, it's not like higher. I don't know what you're talking about. High volume close? No, I don't. Yeah, dude, sweet green. This white bitches love sweet green. It's whatever, man. Why is this going exactly? Uh, maintain depth by. It's very thin, but this is just interesting because land-based eco-conscious expeditions. Yeah, volume price analysis is the one I like. But like a lot of traders talk about what I'm talking about. Like what I was okay, like to look for volume signatures on like weekly charts, right? Like that's a very Weinstein thing to do. I think Darvis too, right? Like you want to see the telltale signs of institutional accumulation. You don't have to buy it, you can find it online for free too. But I have a hard copy of these books, yeah. They don't need your support. I wonder if this is actually gonna go. This reminds me of like Nicola and stuff, but maybe it needs more time. There's no real theme, it's just robotics shitco, but what was the news on this day? I don't know if it had news. Rich Tech Robotics, August 6th news. 'Cause I remember looking, because that was about the same time that Serve was doing crazy shit. Yeah, it might have just been an insider just dumping a lot. Who the fuck knows? I don't see any news. Where can you find it online? Just Google, I swear to God, just Google Anna Cooling volume price analysis PDF. You'll find it like instantly. Come on, guys. Rub those two brain cells together. I'm not going to link the link. I just found it. It's literally the top result. I don't want to get banned by Twitch. Google Anna Cooling volume price analysis PDF. You'll find it right away. No, you don't want an audiobook. You want to look for you want to read it. There's like diagrams and stuff. There's like it's halted again? Is it really halted again? No, it's not. Never mind. Okay, I think I gotta take a little bit more of this momentous off. I love this kind of trade, but I don't know, it's stressful. So if you're not in Redfin or Kava, I don't think Kava's going to get a pullback, but Redfin you might be able to get into at VWAP or ideally at like 1060, 1070s. Or you can just wait. But this is like some, yeah, no, you should probably just wait. But like, yeah, like 854 is a trigger, and then and then you should be watching it for this. But I don't know, you can get a starter in the mid tens maybe. No, I chased the shit out of Kava, dude. I bought Kava like right under 120. I bought it like here. Dude, I don't really like 5 minute opening range. I mean, it worked here, yes, but I think you'll find the failure rate is pretty high. So if I do enter, like, it'll just be a starter, and I'll try to average it. But I wasn't really watching it right off the bat because I was focused on Momentous, which I did buy. So I bought this at 105 because in a limit order. Just like, look, right, this is a major level. And then I got stopped out, and then I was watching it again. So then I set an alert for 103, reclaims 103, and then I just bought it. Because this was definitely the biggest focus. Yeah. This looks like shit right here, but this is like this is a bear trap as fuck, dude. This is like I was surprised it worked honestly, but you don't have to like buy the bear trap. You can wait for it to reclaim the level. Kava, I just literally just chased. Yeah, bought it here. As a pullback, started buying it. I mean, no, like I don't really trade the same way as Chris does a lot of the time. I find ways, like my goal is to identify the best stocks and just find a way into it. And then the really good ones, I try to get size. There's a lot of ways to add. Because I find with like especially trading opening range, yeah, you just get cucked a lot, dude. You just get fucked over all the time. And then I was finding that I would get fucked over a lot, and I just would stop taking the same stock, and then it would go. But same reasoning that some people don't take EPs on day one. Like Rocket Lab, for example, right? You had EP day, which I did. I did buy the dip on this day and this day, and then I got shaken out here. So like, even me not trying to buy the opening range, you still get shaken out of these things. So there's a lot of examples of this. Like like uh, you can wait. Basically, is what I'm saying. You don't have to buy crazy 1 minute ranges all the time. Like I was telling another trader about this, like Lucid, right? This level you can buy when you get this alert. Like if you're not watching it, you're not gonna buy it off this like 330s here. And I wasn't watching it. I had my alert at the major level because it is in my backwatch list. So you buy some here, then it goes. You don't chase this. You wait for it to pull back to that key level, or you wait for it to pull back to view up, whatever. But in this case, it literally pulled back to this level. You buy more. This level is major, by the way. It's not just because of oh, you know what? Never mind. It is just because of this. Why do I have it set as 39 exactly, though? You know what? I don't remember. Doesn't matter. All right, guys. What do you think Momentous goes to? $3? Can it do it? Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Should I sell more? Nah, I'll let it ride. I don't know, it might be time to promote this. This is such a turd. This is so thin too. What is it trading the last few days? Oh, it's not that bad. It's more than 15 million. Okay, I really hope these are just done. I don't want to be... Okay, yes. This hollow penis cloud. Bullshit. Milgo. Mullen. Okay. Let's ditch these. I don't think this is dying, guys. Neither is this, though. This is crazy. Well, I don't market myself. This is this is more just because it's fun to talk to people. And I can't really type right now. I can't type that much because I got this fucking arm injury. Well, I got never mind. It's just like I have this like it's like carpal tunnel adjacent injury. Yeah, cores is good. It just needs a little bit more time. Oh, a little bit of dippy dip. 200% on the day. We get greedy. We... Let's see what it does at the 5 minute 10 EMA. 1 minute is rejecting, is breaking below right now, but that doesn't mean it's done. Let's hope some retarded shorts pile in here. If it halts down though, I'm probably gonna get out. It might. And it did. Yeah, right. Time to sell most of it. What are you looking at? Codex? Oh, Jesus, what the fuck is going on? Good job, man. Why? Time to take some lucid profits. So they have like a Walmart partnership, I guess. Yeah, part of me just wants to ditch this, but I'll wait till lows. Yeah. Well, they should really let me fucking just be a tester for TradingView. I would improve their product so much. I have a feeling none of those fuckers actually trade. Oh, Momentous unhalted. Okay, I sold some. Now please just make a lower high here so that I can use it as a stop. $155, I'll put the stop there. Dude, that's a fucking 100% move. I didn't even realize that. The easy mode, dude. Just buy the fucking level. Should I just use this to stop? Yeah, it's just 10 cents. Let's go. Okay. I still have like a third of my original position, so I think I'm just gonna leave the 155 stop. Hmm. No chance to add yet. Dude, Kava's crazy. What did they fucking say? Get the fuck out of here. Okay, yeah, it's the glory years for Kava, by the way. So if you like relatively cheap steak and there's a Kava near you, you probably get it now. Before private equity takes over in like 10 years and their quality goes to shit like Chipotle. Because that's what it's doing right now. Let's look. Let's look at the numbers. Right. I know I said I don't look at numbers, but I don't really, but I just want to see. Hold on. Yeah, they're barely making any money. They made money Q3. What the fuck? Anyway, still growth stage. How many stores are there? Number of Kava locations in the US. There's 337 locations, according to Scrape Hero. How many Sweetgreen locations? I don't know if this is real though. It said there's like 985 Sweetgreens. Is that true? That doesn't sound right. How many Sweetgreens are there? There's really over almost 1,000? Really? Okay, so Kava market cap is 14 billion. Sweetgreen market cap is oh my god, it broke through these highs. Piece of fucking shit. 4.4 billion. So Kava is worth 3 times as much as Sweetgreen by market cap. That's because Sweetgreen makes less money, is losing money all the time. They brought in. Is it okay? What about Kava? Brought in about the same amount of revenue. I feel like the count for Sweetgreen stores is probably false. Okay. Oh man, was this really buyable today? Fucking shit. Are any other solars going? No. Meh. $100 million. What serves market cap? 100 million. This isn't really a setup, but I kind of just want to see if it does this, like undercuts this level, and then, hmm. Yeah, this was surprisingly tradable, but pretty difficult to have caught it unless you're watching it. On not on the daily, like on hourly. It's not really my type of trade though. But this company does renewable, quote unquote, renewable jet fuel, right? So it's tangentially related to aerospace. That's what we're looking for. Yeah, nothing going on here. Dude, watch this setup. Oh no, this should be on 2. So what does this do? Semiconductor solutions for the broadband and Internet of Things market. Not really on theme. Rotated its float though. What about uranium? Oh, I think I'm going to sell Momentous before it halts again. Oh yeah, I think we're breaking down now. At least a view up. Am I wrong? I might be wrong. No, I'm out. Let's not get too greedy. It's gonna fucking go to 3, isn't it? Oh no, I'm a moron. Should have kept my original stop down here. Yeah, I just sold the rest of this, but might be a mistake. It's okay though. I don't want to greed too hard. Because it's very liquid. I didn't get much slippage. It's a very small position, but still. 10 times flow rotation already. Should I just buy some? No, I'll wait. I'll wait. I think I need to set up again to go higher. I don't know if that's a real signal. Yeah, I'm gonna relax. This is pretty interesting now. I don't know if this still has more juice in it though. But if you're trading it off like this 30-minute, it could be a good risk to reward spot. It's EVGO making new highs. Good job, guys, that you took it. Okay, Momentous is breaking down a bit. That's good. I think I'm gonna try some APDN here. Just a tiny bit. What's the liquidity like? Yeah, 10x float rotation again. We might have topped out, but oh, the spread is pretty bad. I don't know. I don't know. It's not looking great. We're talking about ESOA. Nah, it's too thin. What is this though? Energy Services America? Curious. It's small cap, 200 natural gas, petroleum, yada yada yada. Okay. What's alert? EMF? I just got an EMF alert. What the fuck are you talking about? Yeah. Let's just wait till here. I do have an alert here, do I? No, I don't. Okay. Yeah, I think you can buy this APDN dip, but maybe it's not for everyone. I mean, it's going, so. I just bought more. So this is I believe this is the only one that has application for use in America, which is why, see, GovX is fucking yeeting, right? VRAX is not, oh shit. Uh, But APDN is the one that has a license for use in America, in New York at least. But this is worth watching too, I guess. Barely touched on the offering though. It's a very good sign. But yeah, it's easy. You can just use this as a stop, 235. Might just fail though. I want to get a little bit more. I'll buy a little bit more. Am I right about that? Is this the only one that's approved for use in the United States? I think I am. Or it's not approved for use? I don't know what the fuck this means. It's a, okay. It's a test, not a vaccine. Okay, whatever. No, let's demote this again. I shouldn't be tempted into this. I feel like this is a trap. Oh man, I'm coping so hard at this one though. Fucking hell. Yeah, today is the only big volume day aside from this day. So it's not a bad spot still. Your potential upside is like highs a day, I guess, which is a good move. Yeah, this might be done already. It does not have earnings today, by the way. I think I looked it up. Earnings are either on the 26th or they're not coming at all. It's fucking trading view. If you guys small accounts, you should trade this. It's just really thin, but looks really good. Mentis is almost at VWAP. But I don't know, man. I don't want to buy it back anymore. Actually, solar got quite a bit today. Oh my God, really? You guys know I was in it here? I bought it here. And then luckily I sold it. This day was just, there was like a call sweeper. And that was it. And then it went pump and dumped. Ooh. Dude, why can't NVAX announce they're working on a monkeypox vaccine? Yeah, there is really a big bid. Bids in uranium and in silver today. Alternative energy. Why though? I mean, no, uranium we know, actually, but why solar? Just because their shit goes? Long you been? Mr. Sea Voyager? Dude. Where the fuck is this place? Sweden? Is this Sweden? Or Greenland? It's Norway. It technically belongs in Norway. Damn, dude. That's crazy. Dude, what do they eat up there? It's probably just like, fermented fish, bread and cheese. Crazy, man. The further north you go in Europe, the shittier the food gets. It's a coal mining town, huh? Well, maybe he can see oh no, it's summer. He's not going to be able to see the northern lights, is he? Oh, this is the place with the very famous seed vault. Yeah, I know it. I've heard of this. They have like a vault for every type of seed they could find, for when shit goes down. Yeah, I believe that. Polar bears are apparently really aggressive. Yeah. Like brown bears will leave you alone, grizzly bears too for the most part, but polar bears, because there's like no food, they'll just come try to eat you. It's illegal to die there? What the fuck are you talking about? Alright, it's good I got rid of this, I guess. Later, that's it. This was a 1 day pump and dump. Fucking bullshit. This really has no reason to be going up, though. Not only is this solar, it's an Israeli company. This company is not going to exist in a few years. But you know what? This isn't bad. This ENF isn't bad. It just has to reclaim this range. Hmm. So if you die, it's not like they can fine you. Or maybe they fine your family or take it out of your estate. I think MNTS is halted to the downside now. That was a fun little day trade, wasn't it? You guys buy this with me? I ended up getting up to a 262 average. I bought some more. 3 different buys. So now we kind of wait to see if they approve its use for testing, and that might be the sell signal. This is sort of an hourly, 30-minute setup. No, you should stick to what you know. Don't listen to me. This is just but that's how you buy the dip, though. You look for support on these like 30 and 1 hour ranges. And then you find this kind of bottom fucking range and you just it's not that good, but for something like this, I kind of want in. Now I'm hoping for a monkeypox outbreak in New York. It's fucked up, dude. Oh yeah, I mean, well yeah, you should. No, it's both of those things. You gotta look for context, right? But like you gotta know what you're trading. Uh, like something that's up a lot and flagging, that's one type of trade. I don't know if you're having the best luck of those. You want to like I like looking for things that are coming out of big bases, right? Like Rocket Lab. Like this is something that is up a lot in in the last week or two that you should want to trade, right? But it's down quite a bit from highs. That's fine. It's a big base. Like stage analysis is something that you need to learn if you're using the daily. For things that are down a lot, you need to know what they are. Like this company is going bankrupt, okay? Like make no mistake about it. I mean, highly likely, very, but because space is in theme, it's like a potential day trade or 1 or 2 day hold. I don't know, but I guess day trade because it's dying. Um, and it gave you clear levels to trade off of. That like around that $1 area was pretty clear. Uh, Things that are down a lot that have a lot of short interest are pretty good. That's why I like Fubo Beyond. Like this is a really hated stock. Everyone hates the stock because they don't make any money, and the trading community is generally pretty right wing, so they hate fake meats. So like this is a very hated stock, high short interest. I mean, it is a shit company, right? Obviously, it's got like I don't know, 20 to 30% short interest, something like that. So I try to long things like this because short squeezes fun. Fake meat, dude. Beyond Meat. You know what this is? They make really shitty tasting fake sausage and fake meat. Um, then for things like APDN, right? At least this is just simple thematic trades, right? Like this is a new theme. It's a big development, right? It's like not as big as COVID, but that's what you're looking for. Just think themes. No, that's the best way I can put it. I mean, everything real estate went today, right? That's a theme. These are easier trades though, because they have better bases. So you can take bigger size on these. You take lower size on shit like this, because it's already below my entry. Jesus Christ. Because the fail rate is going to be much higher. Um, I might just cut it. I don't know if I have the patience to wait for lows. To make a higher low, otherwise I'm out. All right, so I still think we can get an ad spot on Redfin. Maybe violate these lows. It should retest this like tens, high tens at least. I want to see the chasers all washed out. Oh hell yeah, 5% day, new highs. This is just grinding now. This perplexity? What are you talking about? Oh, I see. Hmm. Hmm. Oh yeah, I know this company. I recognize the logo. Who backs this? Who backs this? Yeah. It's backed by Bezos, Nvidia, and Bessemer, Gary Tan. Gary Tan is the Y Combinator dude. Yeah. UPST? UPST, do you know what they do? UPST is a classic zero interest rate company with high short interest. Very hated company. And this 30 level is pretty big. Yeah, you gotta look up what companies do, man. Like, I'm not gonna, you just gotta look it up. Like, you don't need to understand that much about it, but you gotta look up what they do. Don't be like Mark Minervini. This is a buy now, pay later company. It's like a firm. There's also public, right? It's like, and then there's the private ones like Klarna, Afterpay.
Affirm is the one with the Amazon partnership. So these companies really only make money when interest rates are low. So what happened here? This is the day that July 11th. It was FOMC. And it's like, okay, we're gonna get some low interest rates potentially, rate cuts finally. And what happened with IWM that day, right? That's why IWM went this day, July 11th. Can you explain why regionals this day? So IWM move was primarily driven by two things: real estate and regionals, right? So low interest rates, what does that mean for real estate? It means that lenders are potentially going to make money again. So the biggest benefactors were like lenders like LC, right? Like this held up. Tree, not so much, but now it kind of is, right? Now it's breaking out again. Rocket mortgages, right? July 11th, and then waiting for earnings, kept going. Right, IWM. Meanwhile, well, KRE fell apart because regionals were more sensitive to this potential recession risk, I guess, whereas real estate was not. Um, right? And sentiment around commercial real estate was pretty poor for this entire time. Same with the regionals, because regionals were overexposed to CRE. Okay, so back to Upstart, right? Upstart is slightly different. It's more consumer end. So we got the initial push from that zero interest rates. Then we had the, oh no, recession fear slash carry trade unwinding bullshit, right? And then we had capitulation day, undercut these lows. All right. Yeah, we can mark that, but I'm not going to. And then it'll gap up and break through 30. Easy trade. What happened last time it gapped up around that level, right? It ran for a bit. I don't know if it's going to go that far. This company has a shit business model, but it could work. Affirm, it's less shorted, I guess. I don't know, but it bounced off this level. I would wait. So watch this for earnings. Like you got to know what a company does. You got to know what it does, and the general narrative as to why it's going up. Other people might tell you differently, but you're asking me, so that's what I'm saying. Um, it could just be numbers, but like why are people buying the company? Is it institutions buying it because there's like this narrative around launching rockets into space? The private space sector has finally been accumulated. That's a narrative here, right? Um, what about like certain narratives? So Lucid narrative is well, this day it had the news of the Saudi investment, and I think this is still pretty highly shorted. Anyway, just like know the character of a company, et cetera, et cetera. Know who the players are. Is it just retail? Is it institutions? Is it traders? Oh no, I actually closed the window. Fucking bitch. Do I have to buy this now? Yeah, we're buying. Oh man, MSTR highs too. Okay, we're taking starters in MSTR, BitX, and Ethereum. What else did I just get? An alert for Fubo. Fuck you. Oh, I do not want to buy Fubo. Why are you making me do it? Let's wait for confirmation. Oh my god, now we're pretty fucking long. Oh, it's lagging so much. All right. Confirmation is highs of the news day or the day after the news day, because they got news late day on down there, and then it gapped up, and yeah. Holy shit, we're fucking long. No, I just got one for you too. Yeah, nah, this not worth it. All right, boys. We are long. I'm gonna sell. I'm gonna sell my BTPT and buy more MSTR. Okay, that's better. BTBT just uses too much margin. If it's low priced and crypto. It's a little bit more lucid. What the fuck is going on? Cart? Yeah, it's not really a good range. So. Confirmation on Fubo, I think is just highs. 218. Oh, it looks like it's gonna go, man. Dude, I'm already really long. I'm just gonna wait. I just bought a shit ton of crypto, so dude, what the my Spotify is feeding me French music only? Get the fuck out of here. No, stop, 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 stop. Mm. Oh, I don't want to buy this today. I'm gonna buy it, I guess. Fine. Yeah, this is a merger or acquisition. I don't know if it's a real trade though. I'm just gonna ignore it. Bitfarms is buying STIG basically. No, I don't use stop at low of day. I use a stop that makes sense. Sometimes it's low of day. Why does that make sense? Well, I don't have a hard stop. I do not have a hard stop. I'm gonna cut it if it looks like it's failing the breakout. I don't have big size, just bought a little bit. I'm looking to add if it can consolidate. I only use hard stops for things like this. My hard stop is here. I have a hard stop on Lunar too, actually, like right for this low. Because this stuff, if it sells off, sometimes it just doesn't give you a chance to sell. Hmm. Yeah, no, it's dead. Oh, good lord, man. What the fuck was I gonna do again? Oh yeah. Dude, this is a crazy day. We're premature today. It's kind of still at this level. Yeah, if it tries to shake you out, just, it might do that. I love the way this is behaving though. I should have bought some hood. Oh well. Okay, what's my Rocket Lab doing? It's just chilling still. Okay, I'm gonna go outside. I'm calling it a day. I can't, I'm gonna be tempted to add more crypto. I think I need to wait till Monday. Damn, it's a long stream, 2 hours. Yeah, I need to go outside. Later, guys.